So some objective bits related to electron migration effects. So first one, inductive effect is possible in chlorobutane but absent in butane. That is assertion. And reason for this is given as hybridization of all carbons is sp3 in chlorobutane and butane. Okay. So here different options are there. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is not correctly explaining assertion. Okay. And both assertion and reason are true, and reason is explaining assertion correctly. Next, A is true, R is false. Assertion is true, reason is false. And A is false, R is true. Okay. So here both the statements, given both the statements are correct. Both are true. But both are different statements. Here hybridization of all carbons is sp3 in chlorobutane and butane. So this is not related with the electron migration effect. Okay. Even though both are the same statements, but reason is not correctly explaining assertion. Okay. So that's why option 2 is correct. Okay. Next, negative inductive effect is shown by. So groups which shows the negative inductive effect. Okay. So here 4 options: COOH, methyl, ethyl and alkyl, secondary alkyl. Okay. So here COOH, electron withdrawing group. So it shows the negative inductive effect, and releasing groups shows the positive inductive effect. So minus I effect. So this one, it shows the negative inductive effect. And which of the following groups have highest inductive effect? Here different alkyl groups are given: methyl, ethyl, secondary alkyl and tertiary alkyl. So all are electron releasing groups. Okay. So order of inductive effect, positive inductive effect. So that is tertiary is greater than secondary, secondary is greater than primary, primary is greater than methyl. So here highest inductive effect, that is shown by tertiary alkyl group, CS3 taken thrice C. Next, shifting of electrons of a multiple bond under the influence of a reagent is called. Okay. So transfer of pi electrons, shared pi electrons from a multiple bond towards another atom or a group. Okay. In presence of attacking agent. So that is called as electromeric effect. So this is definition. Electromeric effect definition. Shifting of electrons of a multiple bond under the influence of reagent, attacking agent. Okay, which is a temporary effect. If attacking agent is not there in the reaction, we cannot observe the electromeric effect. Okay, so this is electromeric effect. Shifting of electrons of a multiple bond under the influence of a reagent. So that is called as electromeric effect. Okay. Next, an alkene is more likely reacts with alkenes, reactions of alkenes. So you know that mostly alkenes, they undergo electrophilic addition reactions. Okay. So alkenes more likely react with the electrophile. Okay. Next, resonating structures of a molecule should have. You know about resonance and resonating structures. So molecules or ions, they are present in different structures. Okay. Which differs in the distribution of electrons, which differs in the bonds or distribution of electrons. Okay. So those structures are called as canonical structures or resonating structures, and that phenomena is resonance. So resonating structures of a molecule should have identical arrangement of atoms, nearly same energy, and same number of paired electrons. Okay. So all are correct for resonating structures. Okay. Next, seventh one. Next, which of the following substituents has positive mesomeric effect? Okay. So mesomeric effect, that is displacement of electrons, okay, through the conjugate system. So transfer of electrons to the conjugate system, that is mesomeric effect. So that is in two types, positive and negative. So in positive mesomeric effect, transfer of electrons takes place away from the group or atom which is attached to conjugate system. Okay. So here cyanide, aldehyde and amine, nitro groups are there. So in amine, nitrogen having lone pair of electrons. Okay. And electron transfer from nitrogen towards the rest of the chain. So that's why electron density increases in the rest of the chain. Okay. So that's why amine shows positive mesomeric effect. NH2 shows positive mesomeric effect, and remaining are negative mesomeric effect. Example for negative mesomeric effect. Okay. Next. So this is 1-chlorobutane. And in which carbon-carbon bond, so that expect to have least inductive effect. Okay. So here you know about inductive effect. So it indicates the polarity of bond and displacement of sigma electrons. Okay. So here this is the highly electronegative atom. Chlorine is the highly electronegative atom, and it attracts the shared pair of sigma electrons towards itself. And this carbon possesses positive charge and chlorine possesses partial negative charge. So polarity is there. So here polarization takes place in between chlorine and carbon, which is directly linked with it. Okay. Then polarization distributes throughout the chain. Okay. Displacement of sigma electrons takes place throughout the chain. So from first carbon to second carbon. But here inductive effect is less between first carbon and second carbon when we compare with between first carbon and chlorine atom. Okay. So gradually inductive effect decreases when in between 2 to 3 and also 3 to 4. Okay. After third carbon atom, we can neglect the inductive effect. Okay. So here least inductive effect, that is present in between C3 and C4. Okay. C3 and C4. Inductive effect gradually decreases. So more inductive effect is observed in between carbon, which is directly linked with chlorine atom, highly electronegative atom. Okay. So after that gradually inductive effect decreases. Okay. Then coming to third and fourth, it is more or less. Okay. That's why least inductive effect is shown between C3 and C4. Okay. Next, which of the following shows electromeric effect? So electromeric effects. Electromeric effect is transfer of pi electrons. Pi electrons, that is towards the atom. Pi electrons from the multiple bond towards the atom or group in presence of attacking agent. Okay. So two types of electromeric effects are there, positive and negative. Okay. So generally positive electromeric effect, that is shown in alkenes. a negative electromagnetic effect that is shown in carbonyl compounds. Okay. So here aldehyde shows the electromagnetic effect. Okay. Next, mesomeric effect is a permanent effect in which pi electrons transferred from. So mesomeric effect is permanent effect. Transfer of pi electrons that takes place from multiple bond to atom and also multiple bond to single covalent bond. So both 1 and 2. These are correct. Then order of inductive effect. Okay. Here all are electron withdrawing groups and also chlorine halogen atom is also there. Okay. So here order is nitro is greater than cyano, cyano is greater than carboxylic acid which is greater than Cl. Next, positive resonance power is not possessed by the given groups. So positive resonance effect is not present. Okay, so positive resonance effect like mesomeric effect, here also transfer of electrons takes place away from the atom or group which is connected to ring. Okay, so here positive power is not possessed by COOH. Okay, so in case of COOH we observe negative resonance effect. Okay.